Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is the next video wherein I'll be just quickly showing you how you can install pygame or pyinstaller in your PC. It's just a simple process that not gonna take much of your time, and we will just quickly discuss everything about it, that how you can do that in the right way. So the very first thing that I want you to have is that Python installed in your PC, because I'm not going to be explaining you that particular step. So if you have the Python installed, then you're good to go with this video. So let me just quickly show you how you can do that. So right now I'm on my desktop screen. If I'll just open up the command line over here, and how you can do that, you just have to press the shift key and then have to right click, and that's going to give you the option to open up the command window. So I have opened the command window over here. I'm on the desktop folder. So if I'll try to run this command, which is pip install pygame, that's not gonna lead to pygame install. It's gonna say pip is not recognized as an internal or external command. So it's not able to recognize the internal or external command. Why exactly it is happening? Because we are not at the right folder, we are not in the right location in order to install, in order to run this particular command. So how we can do that? So firstly, I'll just go to the search place and open up the Python. So it's giving me the Python, which is there in my PC 3.10. If I'll just open up the file location, and now I'm able to see the Python, these are the shortcuts that I'm able to see over here. But that's again not the right place wherein I can run this particular command. I have to go to the properties and have to just look for the target folder where exactly my Python is installed. And you can see that this is giving me the location, right? So first of all, let me just open up this particular folder, and then we will try to see what we can do. So now I'm trying to find out where exactly my Python is. So yeah, you can see that the Python is located over here, this which I found from this particular place, right? So Python 3.10, that is the right place. 3.10, which is installed in my PC. And this is the right folder wherein you have to run this command, which is called as a scripts folder. So if I'll open up the command line over here at this particular place, just doing the same thing, pressing the shift button, clicking on the right, just doing the right click, opening up the command window here, right? So now I'm in the right location. If I'll try to run the command now, which is pip install pygame, I will be able to execute this command. Now it's going to be able to understand what pip is, and you can see that requirement already satisfied. That means the pygame is already installed in my PC. And if I'll do the same for pyinstaller, it's also going to be able to it's going to give me the same message, right? So let's try to do that. Pip install pyinstaller. Yes, this is the right command. Entering over here, and you can see that requirement already satisfied. So that means both of the things are already there in my PC, and it's able to recognize the command as well as able to execute. So if that is not installed in your PC, then it's just simply going to execute the command, and it's going to install both, whatever the thing that you want to install in your PC, pygame or pyinstaller. So let's just take a look on the second process, and that is going to be something which you will also follow, because sometimes we just want to do that quickly. And now I'm coming back to the desktop folder. This is the first command window which I opened on the desktop folder, right? So if I have to run the command, if I just want to execute pygame or pyinstaller from this particular place, what you need to do, you just have to remember a simple command in order to do that task. So basically the command is saying that py-m pip install -U pygame, whatever the thing that you want to install, space --user. If I'll run this command, I can do that from the desktop folder as well. That's the simple thing. It's again giving me the same message, requirement already satisfied, and this time I'm just doing this from the desktop folder. So that is the place where I'm trying to run the command. If I'll just try to do that from any other folder, then that is also something possible. And now I'm going to be showing you the same thing for the pyinstaller. You can see that it's also going to be something possible. Pyinstaller. Yes, we are good to go. You can see that it's taking some time, so that means it's executing the command, again giving me the same message, requirement already satisfied. That means it's also again something which is there in my PC. Yeah, so these are the two ways by which way you can just install the pygame or pyinstaller, whatever the thing that you want to install. Just have to keep in mind that you are in the right location if you are using the basic command, that is pip install pygame or pyinstaller. But at the same time, if you want to do the same thing from any other location or from any other folder, just have to memorize this particular command in order to do that task. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the only thing that I wanted to mention in this particular quick tutorial. And these are the two things that I wanted to mention, because that is something which most of the people tend to forget, or maybe they do it in the wrong way. They just Google it and they just try to run the command, but that's just give the error. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's it in this video. Thanks for watching. Thank you for your time. See you next time.